I'm the Henna-Proof Quilter, and today we're going to go with our Accuquilt Bee and Beehive dive. I'm going to show you how this works, and what I love about Accuquilt is it doesn't just cut fabric. I'm not cutting fabric with this die today. Today I am cutting vinyl. I have several pieces here. I have some scraps. And I have some, this is going to be my beehive. These are going to be some wings. This is going to be another part of the beehive. So I have all kinds of little pieces here that are going to be part of the beehive because I'm making a garden flag. So let's get to it. So we don't quite need a piece quite this big, and we only need one. So we are going to trim this up a little bit. And the rest of this will be for our bees. And then we will just trim this over here. There we go. And we want 2 bees. So we're going to, that's 1 bee. 2 bees. Let's make sure that's big enough. Got 2 bees. 2 bees. Okay. Then we need some wings, and they don't have to be very big, but we need 4 wings. So they don't really need to be very big. One. I don't know if it'll cut 4 pieces of for the right there. We just need, and we chose this because it's going on top of other vinyl. So here. Oh, my little wing got cut off. We only got 1 wing. Got a half a wing. I was worried it was going to come off. Okay. We got our bees. Got our little bees. And our beehive. We got our little cubby hole. And we got our little, oops, our little strips here. So